News, the Weather Authority.
Well, we have some wicked storms firing up over southwest Florida. In fact, severe thunderstorm warning just issued for this storm over southwest Florida International Airport. A wind gust to 63 miles per hour was just recorded there. So if you live anywhere near San Carlos, Gateway, the airport, strong gusty winds, frequent lightning happening with this storm right now. So this severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 4:45 p.m. And this storm's not moving very fast. In fact, trying to build off to the west. So don't be surprised if you live closer to 41 if you see that storm build in your direction. Now, just in the past few minutes, we've had 44 lightning strikes. So on top of strong winds, there's a lot of dangerous lightning with this as well. So please take shelter. But this is not the only place with storms. Meanwhile, down in Collier County, big storm now building into parts of Bonita Springs. And we have even more rain building down towards parts of Lely and Marco Island as well. Up in Charlotte County, same deal. Big storm now just north of Babcock Ranch. This is sliding southward in your direction, and we have some showers extending up through Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, and parts of Northport as well. And just looking at the big picture here, you can see plenty of scattered storms across southwest Florida, including that severe thunderstorm over parts of Lee County. These will likely continue for the next few hours. So if you have any outdoor plans, you're going to be dealing with rain probably through at least 6 to 9 o'clock. But I do expect as we head into tonight, things will quickly begin settling down. But through 9, there still could be a lingering shower or storm on radar. So tomorrow morning, dry start to the day once again. But you guessed right, rinse and repeat. We're going to be dealing with more scattered showers and storms heading into your Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening as well. So looking ahead here at your forecast, you can see temperatures in the 80s with storms through the evening hours, gradually settling down as temperatures fall into the 70s. And by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, should be quite nice, upper 60s to lower 70s, partly cloudy, but warm and muggy to start off the day. What about tomorrow afternoon? But like I said, 90s, more scattered storms back in the forecast. So we're really getting into that summertime pattern now across the area. Beyond that, I expect our normal scattered storms through Thursday, but as we head towards Friday and into the weekend, increasing tropical moisture with whatever's left over from Agatha will begin to increase our rain chances, and we could even see some tropical issues here heading into the weekend. Let's talk about that. Here's Hurricane Agatha getting ready to make landfall in Mexico this afternoon. Right now, a powerful Category 2 hurricane with 105-mile-per-hour winds. But Agatha is expected to rapidly weaken as it moves into Mexico tonight. And the reason why, it is going to get shredded by mountains over 10,000 feet in elevation. So Agatha is likely to dissipate over Mexico, but there's going to be a lot of moisture and leftover energy as this slides northeastward towards the Yucatan. And by the time we get towards late week, we may begin to see a new area of low pressure developing somewhere near the Yucatan, along with a lot of moisture out ahead of it. Look at those blues and purples. This is the top end of our scales. So we're going to have a lot of moisture heading in our direction, regardless of tropical development heading towards this weekend. But if something were to spin up, the next name on the list is Alex here on the Atlantic side. And the National Hurricane Center does acknowledge that possibility. 40% chance of development over the next 5 days. And these development chances are creeping up with time. So this is something we're going to have to watch. Water temperatures certainly warm enough, mid-80s in the Western Caribbean and southern Gulf of Mexico. The problem the system's going to run into is wind shear, though. It's going to be ripping across the Gulf of Mexico heading towards this weekend. So we like that wind shear, and it should keep anything that does develop weak, sloppy, and primarily a heavy rain threat. So here's the bottom line. Agatha is going to be crossing over Mexico into the southern Gulf or Caribbean over the next few days. Chances of redevelopment are increasing late week. And if we were to see anything from this, the heavy rain threat would be the main concern. And that threat is increasing as we head towards this weekend. So it's going to be very important that you keep an eye on that forecast. And here at the Weather Authority, we are keeping a close eye on that. Here's a look at your forecast. You can see scattered storms continuing through Thursday, but heading towards the weekend, that's when we'd see our greatest risk for impacts. We'll have another look at that coming up after this break.